Danang is quickly becoming one of Asia's hottest beach destinations. And once you see the turquoise water, luxury beachfront resorts, and incredible prices, it's easy to understand why. From world-famous five-star resorts hidden in the jungle, to affordable beachfront hotels with rooftop infinity pools, Danang has something for every traveler. In today's video, we're counting down some of the absolute best hotels in Danang for 2026. Whether you're planning a luxury honeymoon, a family vacation, or an affordable tropical getaway, make sure to watch until the end because the final hotel on this list is considered one of the most beautiful resorts in all of Vietnam. Let's get started. First up is the legendary InterContinental Danang Sun Peninsula Resort. If luxury is your priority, this place is on another level. Located on the stunning Son Tre Peninsula, this resort feels like a private paradise hidden between lush jungle mountains and the sparkling East Sea. The architecture here is absolutely breathtaking. Designed by famous architect Bill Bensley, combining Vietnamese culture with ultra-modern luxury. Guests can enjoy private beach access, incredible ocean view villas, award-winning restaurants, a world-class spa, and one of the most beautiful infinity pools in Vietnam. Next up is the Hyatt Regency Da Nang Resort and Spa. This is one of the best all-around resorts in Da Nang because it balances luxury, comfort, and value perfectly. The beachfront location is amazing, with direct access to soft white sand and calm ocean water. Families especially love this resort thanks to massive swimming pools, spacious family rooms, kids' activities, relaxing spa treatments, and easy access to both Da Nang and Hoi An. The breakfast buffet here is also highly rated by travelers around the world. Whether you're traveling as a couple or with family, this resort is a fantastic choice. 3. Danang Marriott Resort and Spa. If you want a quieter and more relaxing luxury stay, the Danang Marriott Resort and Spa is a great option. Located near the famous Marble Mountains, this resort offers a peaceful beachfront atmosphere away from the busier tourist crowds. One of the biggest highlights here is the huge lagoon-style swimming pool, surrounded by palm trees and ocean views. The rooms are modern, elegant, and perfect for relaxing after a day exploring Da Nang. This resort is ideal for travelers who want luxury without the overwhelming crowds. Now let's switch things up with a hotel perfect for travelers who want both city life and beach access. The Novotel Da Nang Premier Han River sits right in the heart of the city with incredible skyline and river views. You're close to restaurants, cafes, night markets, shopping areas, and the famous Dragon Bridge. The rooftop bar and modern rooms make this one of the best city hotels in Da Nang. It's especially great for solo travelers, digital nomads, and couples who want nightlife and convenience. Looking for incredible value without sacrificing quality? Then you'll love the Monarque Hotel. This beachfront hotel has become a traveler favorite thanks to its friendly service, clean modern rooms, and excellent location near My Khe Beach. Guests constantly praise the hospitality here, and many say the staff make the experience unforgettable. You'll also get rooftop pool access, beautiful ocean views, excellent breakfast, and affordable pricing. This is one of the best budget-friendly luxury hotels in Da Nang. If you're planning a longer stay or traveling with family, the Molia Vin Pearl Da Nang Riverfront is an excellent option. The rooms are spacious, modern, and many come with apartment-style layouts perfect for extended vacations. The hotel also features incredible Han River views, large indoor and outdoor pools, central location, and easy access to attractions and beaches. And at night, the skyline views are absolutely stunning. And finally, the crown jewel, the Four Seasons Resort, the Nam Hai. Technically located closer to Hoi An, this ultra-luxury resort is often considered one of the best resorts in Southeast Asia. Everything here feels exclusive and peaceful, from private villas with infinity pools to world-class spa experiences and pristine beachfront scenery. This resort is pure paradise. The service is world-class, the design is elegant, and the atmosphere is unforgettable. If you're planning a luxury honeymoon or dream vacation in Vietnam, this resort deserves to be at the very top of your list. So those were some of the best hotels in Da Nang for 2026. Whether you want ultra-luxury resorts, affordable beachfront hotels, or family-friendly stays, Da Nang truly has something for everyone.